Yo, we're back. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using any type of braiding hair, and this is ebony. So I'll just break it down step by step. So this is for when you are going out with your friends, just to go chill out, maybe at the beach or at a nice lounge. So right now I'm rocking my bikini. Yep, I can't show you the rest because so you want to take out your hair and then split it, because I don't want my ponytail to be too thick. So I'm gonna part it. Angles that I got from like a store, retail store. So it depends the size of the ring that you want. You can either use this, or you can use, guess what? Wait for it. You can use hoop earrings. The larger, the better. So I think I'll try using both. Why not? Are you game? Yeah. So I'll try using both. So for this one, I'm just gonna try the small one. You're gonna put your hair through this loop. What I prefer is to split these two and then braid from there. Just for, guys, I'm gonna use my lips because yeah. So if I can do you now braid, ne? So as you're going through your braid, just keep make it a bit loose, like a butterfly braid, not too tight. Just keep loosening it up so that it's not too stiff. I hope you can see, guys. So I'm just gonna time lapse this. See? It's joined now. I think I'll use this as the tail because I want this part to be thicker. Oh, what? What do you guys think? No, I think it's still okay like this. Yeah. Okay. Wow. So here I want it to end here. Just make sure that you leave enough hair just to cover your bun. So you're gonna take your rubber band. You can take the one that you got from the hairpiece, it does not matter. Take your rubber band, slide it through, and secure this bit. You can just double wrap it, or just make sure that it does not move hot. So now you can take maybe like a little bit of this hair just to cover up this rubber band. So it doesn't matter what color it is, you're gonna cover it anyway. Just so wrap it around, wrap it, and then take a bobby pin, and then just, you see there on the tip, go underneath that rubber band, make sure that this tip appears on the top, né? And then you slide this hair through the loop. So you're just gonna pass that through. Oh guys, this is intense. So pass it through, you can just take out that bobby pin and drag it down so that that hair appears here, so it's nicely secured. And then you can just, that loose hair, you can just hide it inside the braid. So for now your braid should look like this or something similar. This is the top, this is going to go here, and then there's the bottom part. So you can take some of that hair again. So the length of it depends on how much hair you use. So if you want to have it short, you can bend it in half and then use this part. If you want it longer, you can just have it like be a little asymmetrical to extend the length. Split one side and then begin to braid. Yeah. So this is the thick one, so I'm just gonna split it and leave the hair to join with this. I hope you can see. So now the hair is joined and this is actually thicker now, so I'm gonna continue doing that, because remember the lengths are not the same. So you see this is shorter than the rest of the hair. I'm just going to use some string to kind of secure the bottom part. If you don't have, you can just use a rubber band or wool. Preferably, anyway, no, there's no preference. You can actually go wild with this. Any color will do. I think this is thicker. But yeah, this is thicker. This was supposed to be like the other way around, because this is thicker. So now I secured it with a rubber band, that extra piece that we had. I secured it with a rubber band, and I'm just going to loosen it a bit, and then I'm going to secure this as well, this part. 4 fingers like that, and then place your fingers like so, and then this part over your thumb, over the ribbon on your thumb, pull that through, and then like that. So it's like this, and then you're going to bend your hair. Just make sure that it's aligned with this, like this loop is straight, like it's on the other side, and then you're going to take the loop, so your hair is basically facing, the loop is facing that direction away from your face, and then you're going to put it almost like downward, downward, if I'm making sense. So you're going to take this hair must be flat on your head, so you're going to take this and place it around. You can tighten it just to secure it, and then make sure that that part lays over your hair to cover it, and then you can take this ponytail and wrap it, and then just secure it again, just to conceal your hair, that bun. And then take your bobby pins, I hope you can see, guys. Take a bobby pin. If there's excess hair left, just tuck it inside, inside that bun, or wrap it around, it doesn't really matter. And then just take the bobby pin and secure this part. So if your hair is still appearing a bit, you can take more hairpiece and then wrap it around like a little, what can I say, a little, like make a braid and then tie it around the hair. So this is the final look, guys. Oh gosh, I wish this was the same size. So yeah, guys, I decided to redo the bottom ponytail because it was not the same size as the one on top. And yeah, my perfectionist tendencies got the better of me. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. I thank you so much for your support and for subscribing and for liking, commenting, all that jazz. Thank you so much. It really helps my channel. Just remember, guys, that your dreams are valid, that you are important, that you are loved by God deeply, intensely. Stay blessed. Mwah.